New Zealand and Australia can also have the same high-quality solar products as Europe and America. These solar connectors and solar cables are prepared for the New Zealand and Australia market. Look at this 1500V solar connector. It is made for outdoor solar projects with strong waterproof protection. Our solar cables are also made for outdoor use. They can handle sunlight, rain, high temperature, and long-term use. If you are a solar trader, wholesaler, installer, or local agent, this product is for you. Don't only compare price online. Let's have a video call. I can show you real factory production lines and stock. For serious buyers, we can also support sample orders. Have small trial orders first. You are welcome to visit our factory in Ningbo, China. Or you can check our stock by video call. Follow me now and send me a WhatsApp message to get the quotation.